Good morning, students. I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics. Now, today we are going to discuss that indefinite integration, level 2, 35th question. Previous class already we are completed 34th problem. Now, 35 question. So, 35 question. F of x is equal to integration e power x into x minus 1, x minus 2 dx. Then f is decreasing in the interval. Decreasing function means we know the condition f dash of x less than 0. Here they are given f of x, or they are given f of x integration e power x into x minus 1, x minus 2 dx. Apply the differentiation on both sides. What happens? See, f dash of x, that is equal to e power x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. But already given, the given function is decreasing function. So f dash of x less than 0. It is less than 0. But we know that exponential function is always greater than 0. So remaining part is compulsory less than 0. Positive into negative, we get negative. By using wavy curve method, how to do this? Minus infinite, infinite, this is 1, this is 2. Now how to take the symbols? You know that positive, negative, positive. Okay. Now where it is negative, see that? In between 1 and 2. Therefore, x belongs to open interval 1 comma 2. The function is decreasing in the interval 1 comma 2, open interval. So third option is correct. See this? These formulas already you know very well in IP. Integration e power ax sine of bx plus c dx. E power ax divided by a square plus b square into a into sine of bx plus c minus b into cos of bx plus c. Now I am going to explain the proof. Only first one. Remaining try yourself. Proof. How to do that? Use integration by parts. Integration by parts. Already you know that I let e is the last. E means what? Exponential function. So sine of bx plus c take as first function, and remaining is second function. Now apply the integration by parts. Sine of bx plus c integration e power ax dx minus integration derivative of sine, we get cos of bx plus c into internal derivative. What is internal derivative? One second. Internal derivative is b into integration e power ax, that is e power ax divided by a dx. Now whatever is their question, take that I. Now here sine of bx plus c into integration e power ax divided by a minus Here, take 1 by a outside. Again, observe that we want to apply integration by parts. Cos of bx plus c is the first function. Now, second function is e power ax dx minus integration derivative of cos, what we get? Minus n. Here b is missing, write the b also. Derivative of cos minus n, minus into minus, plus sine of bx plus c into b. Integration e power ax dx, that is e power ax divided by a dx. Now I is equal to e power ax divided by a sine of bx plus c minus integration e power ax here. Integration e power ax by a. Already a is outside, so we get overall minus b by a square into e power ax cos of bx plus c. Minus into plus, minus. Already here b by a is there, so we get b by a into b by a, b square by a square, e power ax, integration sine of bx plus c into e power ax. That value we can write I. There is a question. Now these values send right hand side and take common I. You will get 1 plus b square by a square. Take the LCM, you will get like this: a square plus b square divided by a square, that is equal to. Now here, take the LCM in first two terms. Right here, 1 by a square outside, LCM whatever is there. Next, and we can take common e power ax also. So that is also I am writing here outside, e power ax. Now remaining part is a into sine of bx plus c minus b into cos of bx plus c. Now integrating constant, I am writing k. Okay, now finally here a square is cancelled. I is equal to, this is the formula, e power ax by. So final answer we are getting like this: e power ax by a square plus b square into a sine of bx plus c minus b into cos of bx plus c plus integrating constant k. Integrating constant k. Now see that we got first formula, proof, answer. Okay, remaining second one also same like that, prove yourself. Integration e power a cos of bx plus c dx, e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c plus k. Second one, try yourself. Here a power x we can write in the form of e power log a power x to the base e. That is, we can write e power x log a to the base e sine of bx plus c. So this is, we are converted in the form of integration e power ax into sine of bx plus c dx. Already here formula is there. By comparing both, a value is log a to the base e, b value is b only. Just to substitute in this formula, we will get the answer. Okay, students, all of you copy. This is not there in IP. Integration x into e power ax sine of bx plus c dx. How to do this? Now listen carefully. This is not difficult, easy only. X is take one term e power ax sine of bx plus c. This is take another term, one unit like that. So this is first term, x is second term. X is second term, or you can go alternative, no problem. One second. So here x take first term, e power ax take second term. Apply the integration by parts. X into integration a power x sine of bx plus c minus integration derivative of x1 integration e power ax sine of bx plus c dx. Already we know that formula, integration e power ax sine of bx plus c. Now only we are proved. What is that? E power ax by a square plus b square into a into sine of bx plus c minus b into cos of bx plus c. This is the formula of integration e power ax sine of bx plus c dx minus integration. Here also write same formula, e power ax by a square plus b square into a sine of bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c dx. Okay, now this is x e power ax divided by a square plus b square into whatever is there inside bracket, write that, minus. Here observe that a take outside, you will get like this, a by a square plus b square into e power ax sine of bx plus c minus into minus plus, here we get b divided by a square plus b square integration e power ax cos of bx plus c dx. In these both places, again apply the formula and simplify, we will get the answer. Now this part is same, minus a square divided by a square plus b square. This formula what? Already we know that e power ax by a square plus b square into a sine bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c plus, now go to the second one, this is b divided by a square plus b square into e power integration e power ax cos of bx plus c dx. What is the formula? Integration, sorry, e power ax by a square plus b square into what is the formula? A into cos of bx plus c plus b into sine of bx plus c. These are. Now we want to do the calculation. So the first term is same. Now here onwards observe that. Here what is a sine term, and here also sine term. Both at a time we want to write. I think this is a square by a square plus b square, or only a by a square plus b square. I want clarity. A. I think this is a only, not a square. This is not a square, only a. Yes, yes. Now observe that sine bx plus c terms I am going to multiply. So we get minus a square divided by a square plus b square into a square plus b square whole square into e power ax. Here also we get plus b square into e power ax by a square plus b square whole square. Put bracket. Outside we can write sine of bx plus c. Now cos terms, observe that minus into minus plus ab divided by a square plus b square whole square, and here minus into plus. I think this is minus or plus. Minus into plus, I think this is a minus. Here I am taken e power ax divided by a square plus b square whole square common, and minus also. So finally we got the formula like this. Formula. See the question number 83. Integration 3 power x cos 4x dx. Integration a power x cos of bx plus c dx formula. Already we know that. Just use that formula. Just use that formula, we get answer. Integration 3 power x cos 4x. Students, here observe that what is a? A means 3, b means 4, c means 0. Now apply the formula. 3 square 9 divided by log 3 whole square. B square means we get 16 into logarithm of 3 cos 4x plus b into sine 4x plus c. If you know that formula, you will get answer easily. Just substitute the values a and b. I thought that this is a square. This is not a square, a power x. A power x means what? That is 3 power x. So which option is correct? I think first option is correct. This is level 2, 36th problem. Previous question is level 1. This is level 2. Previous problem level 1. How to do this? Split. Integration. Root 3 take outside. E power 2x into cos x dx minus integration e power 2x sin x dx. So already we have proved formulas. Use that formula. Root 3 into, what is the formula? E power ax divided by a square plus b square. A square means 2 square 4. B square, b value is 1 here. 1 into a cos x, that is 2 cos x plus b sin x. This is first one, minus. Go to the second one. E power 2x divided by 4 plus 1 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus some constant c. Now overall observe that e power 2x divided by 5 is common. Remaining, see that first write cos terms. Here 2 root 3 cos coefficient. In second term plus 1. 2 root 3 plus 1 into cos x plus here root 3 sin x coefficient is root 3. Here sin x coefficient is minus 2. Root 3 minus 2 into sin x plus c. So finally observe that which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Students, are you understood?